boots, pack up my backpack. The call of nature's beauty, there's no turning back. Through the mountains and valleys, I feel so free.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Not Lost, I'm Exploring. Today we are exploring the Carbon County Environmental Center. I have my granddaughters and Tristan with me. So we are out enjoying this beautiful day in a beautiful area. It's such a cool place here to visit. I'll give you guys a better description in a little bit, but I'm going to enjoy the time here with my grandbabies, and I hope you guys enjoy this trip with us as well. Thank you.
Hidden in the woods near Summit Hill, Pennsylvania is one of Carbon County's best-kept secrets. Welcome to the Carbon County Environmental Education Center, a place where nature, wildlife, and education all come together in one incredible place. Located in Mauch Chunk Lake Park, this 70-acre property is home to woodlands, wetlands, meadows, and quiet winding trails. It all centers around a beautifully restored 1920s dairy barn, now converted into an education hub complete with classrooms, exhibits, a lending library, and even a small wildlife hospital. Visitors of all ages can explore the variety of trails, including a wheelchair-accessible boardwalk that takes you through vibrant butterfly gardens and a certified backyard wildlife habitats. And don't be surprised if you spot a hawk, a fox, or a deer during your walk. This land is full of life. Outside the barn, you'll find large enclosures housing birds of prey, rescued owls, falcons, and hawks that now live here as wildlife ambassadors. These birds can no longer survive in the wild, but they can help educate visitors every day. Throughout the year, the center offers public programs, workshops, and even school field trips, teaching conservation, ecology, and the importance of environmental stewardship. Whether it's learning how to compost, identifying native species, or understanding wildlife rehabilitation, there's something here for everyone. And if you're just looking for a peaceful place to unwind, the picnic pavilion and quiet forest trails make this an ideal day trip spot for families, hikers, or anyone who just wants to reconnect with nature. Whether you're hiking the peaceful forest trails or strolling the wheelchair-accessible boardwalk, you're surrounded by native beauty. These paths weave through pollinator gardens and certified wildlife habitats, perfect for birdwatchers, nature photographers, and families looking to reconnect with the outdoors. You'll hear birdsong, see butterflies dance across wildflowers, and maybe even catch a glimpse of a local wildlife like deer, foxes, chipmunks darting through the brush. Some of the most inspiring residents here are the non-releasable animals, raptors like hawks, falcons, and owls living out the rest of their lives as educators. These birds were rescued due to injuries or illnesses and now serve as ambassadors for their species. There's something truly powerful about seeing these animals up close. It reminds us that nature is resilient but also fragile, and that even small acts of care and awareness can make a difference. Every year, hundreds of students walk these trails, learn about ecosystems, and discover how their choices impact the planet. Whether it's learning to compost, identifying native species, or just spending time in the woods, it's hand-on education that sticks. It's not just for kids either. Adults can take part in workshops, seasonal programs, and even volunteer to help care for animals or to maintain the trails.
Let's go, she said.
If you believe in protecting wildlife, educating the next generation, and preserving the natural beauty of Pennsylvania, consider making a donation to the Carbon County Environmental Education Center. Your support helps care for injured animals, maintain the trails, keep educational programs free and accessible to the public. Even a small gift makes a big difference. You can donate directly through their website or reach out via their Facebook page to learn how you can help. Let's keep this place thriving for the animals, the students, and all the explorers still to come.
This cool little play area. Different shelter types down here. See, they use the tree. And then you can get in and walk around in here. There's seats in here. There's lots of spider webs. Hot. Ooh, that's a big spider web. Yep, and he's home too. The spider is home too. Yeah, he's showing off for me. Can't get that to focus. There we go.
Places like this remind us why protecting our environment matters. The Carbon County Environmental Education Center is more than just a park. It's a living classroom, a wildlife sanctuary, and a local treasure. Admission is free, the views are priceless, and the experience unforgettable. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow nature lovers. And consider supporting the center's mission of conservation through education by visiting in person or donating to their cause. Thanks for watching. I'm Not Lost, I'm Exploring, and we'll see you guys in the next one.